Hey guys, this is Mohit, and thanks Sean for showing us how to upload an image. So let's say like you took an image outside or you found it online, and you'd like to enter some information about it. I can show you like how to enter the information in our website. So once you go to our website and you press the upload button over here, you can upload any image. And once you press the upload button, you can see the uploaded images over here, and you can see the add meta option over here, which is used to enter the information that like where you took it and when you took it, and you can enter like what date you can you took this image, and you can also enter the time. And when you press submit, you can see the information which is being recorded over here. And once you press the download metadata option over here, it downloads a CSV file which shows the information which is being recorded previously. So on doing this, um, your information can be accessed anywhere and it's stored online. And even if you want the information to be stored locally, you can also download the information. And let's see like how to view the weather, which is being presented by Nick. And see you guys.